What's up, guys? How are you? Just another video, I guess. I'm just gonna make here another video for you. This is a brand new career path for me. I'm 2 years in. I just got my new dealer license renewal, so things are going. But essentially what I'm trying to say is I've solidified my processes pretty good, which was super important even before starting the business, is to have all my processes in place, or the processes that I thought I was going to need in place, whether it was invoice tracking or accounting, just a lot of different things, right? So what I'm referring to right now is through Manheim, I just bought 4 cars. I was actually sick for maybe like, I don't know, a couple weeks. So I've been down and out of the office. I haven't been doing much at all, but I had some inventory that got sold, so that held me over through that time. And I just bought 4 cars. So my buddy Alex with One Stop Tow, he's going to pick up the stuff right now. For anyone in the transporter business in Southern California, you probably know him. Alex is a great guy, Oniga. And okay, cool. So actually what I'm going to show you right now is I'm about to pay for these 4 cars. He's going to go down there, swoop them on up, and then he's going to go drop them off to FC Garage in Fullerton for inspections on all 4 of these cars. So it's going to be a busy day for him. It's going to be a busy day for FZ Garage over there. And then I'll probably go to FZ Garage also to inspect the cars, check them over, stuff like that. But let's get this video. All right, there we go. So what we're going to do is select each one of these guys, and then we're going to go to view PDF. These are the vehicle releases. So that's the on-site vehicle release right there for the car. I don't want to show you all the other information on the screen just because it has some other information of mine, but I'm going to print out all 4 of these, email them out to Alex. So I didn't want to show you guys like all the information on the screen just because it has like personal stuff and things like that. So what I'm doing right now is actually, what am I even doing? I was going to print out the releases, but I don't need to print them out because he I have to email them to him, and then I think he prints them out on site or something. I don't know. He's all professional over there, so he knows what he's doing. I'm about to print these, and then I realized I could just set them all PDF because that's what I have to do anyway, so it'll save me a little bit of time. So let me get this finished up here. But yeah, man, so now I'm about 2 years into running the dealer. Everything's been good. I'd be lying to tell you that there hasn't been like crazy situations that happen. Yeah, but you know what? You just take care of everything as you can. I know when I'm doing what I'm doing in this business, I'm doing everything legit and 100%, right? So when I acquire used cars, I take them in. I go through everything more so than any dealer, like for sure goes through a car. Like, I mean, I can't promise you that, but I know how deep in depth I get into these cars, and the reason I get so deep in depth in these cars is because I know all about it. So you can give me any of those cars if I needed to repair it. You know, it might take me a little bit of time, but I know how to do it. You know what I mean? So with that being said, I go through like everything that needs to be done. Now, I'm not saying that all these cars need major repairs, no, but every once in a while you sell a car and an alternator goes out or a starter goes out. And it's not a problem, like we get those things addressed. But anything prior to that, whether it's leaks or you know, let's say the car had aftermarket exhaust, that has to get put back to stock. There's a lot of stuff that's done to get the cars right back to what they are. So, or let's say it has aftermarket wheels and the aftermarket wheels look ugly, then I go out and buy OEM wheels, put the OEM wheels on the car, because no one wants to buy a car that looks all riced out, right? You're not trying to spend your hard-earned money on something that, you know, is just beat to heck. So I understand those things. So let's get this done. I'm gonna send out these emails. Get in. So here I am on a test drive, and we see the Lucid. That's an all-electric car right there. All right, guys, so we're leaving the office for the day. I had a Judd over here for a test drive. It's absolutely crazy. So my boy Alex just sent me a picture of the transporter full. It's crazy. Like, I filled that transporter. He's bringing them down. They're gonna be serviced, and then I sell these cars. I filled the transporter in one trip. It's crazy. Like, I don't know if you guys understand that, but that shit's wild for sure. That's wild. Woo. Crazy, guys. So these are all the cars I picked up. Alex Oniga, transporter here in SoCal One Stop Tow. There he is. Crazy. So that's the Ram 1500, an X3, 06 330i, and then we have a 09 Subaru Tribeca over there. So super sick. And there we go. Got my buddy Andreas over there dropping it off at FC Garage. 330. Yeah. That's the one I'm afraid of. Bro, that shit is scary. Look at this. That's the scary.